So hello guys, in this video we will talk about different types of operator in C++ programming language. So let's start with arithmetic operators. So first is the plus operator. So this means add or connect strings, and minus, this means subtract, this star means multiply, this slash means divide, this percent sign means get modulus, this plus plus means increase by 1, this minus minus means decrease by 1. So these are different types of arithmetic operators. Let's see one example. So this represent modulo operator divide the first number by second number and returns a remainder. So if you divide 9 by 2, so the remainder is 1. So it result of using this operator is 1, like here in this case. So let's see one example. So this is our C++ code. Hash include IO stream using namespace std int main, and inside this main function we are defining two integers like x is equal to 200 and y is equal to 100. Then we are defining sum is equal to x plus y. Then we are printing the sum, and then we are doing the division of x by y here. Then we are printing uh, the dv value. Then here we are defining an integer modu, and this is x, this percent sign y, and this will get the remainder, and we are printing here by using cout command. Then we are also doing some plus plus times x, this will increase the x by 1, and in the last return 0. So this indicate the completion of the program. So let's see the result. So this is our first sum x plus y. So we have x is equal to 200 and y is equal to 100. So after summing it will become 200 plus 100 like 300. So in the output it should be 300. So it coming like 300 here. Then in the next we do this like dv is equal to x, this slash y. So this means 200 divided by 100. So what is the result? It is 2. Then we are doing the this modulo. So this will result when we divide 200 by 100. Then what is the remainder? So remainder is 0. Then we are increasing x by 1. So 200 will become 201. So in this way, this arithmetic operator works. Now let's see logical operators. So logical operator are this this sign, like 2 times this sign. Then this is for AND, like this two parallel bars. This is for OR, and this mark is for NOT. So these are three logical operator. So the result of the logical operator will be true or false, and 1 represent true and 0 represent false. So let's see. So for true and false, we use data type bool. So bool x is equal to true we are defining, and bool y is equal to false we are defining. And now we do different logical operations on this. So like if we are defining a variable a, this is x and y. Read this like x and y AND operator. So we are doing the AND operation between x and y. So you know the true and false. If you do AND operation between true and false, the result will be false, and false is represented by 0. If you do OR operation, then the output of true or false is true, which is represented by 1. Like if you do NOT operation of x, here x is equal to true, then NOT operation will become false, which is represented by 0. So if you use this operation like true and true, AND is true, true and false, AND is false, and false and false, AND is false. Like here simply for OR operation, true or true remains true, true or false remains true means returns true, and false or false returns false. uh, if we see not, like not of false it returns true, and not of true it returns false. So these are different uh, logical operations you can do on your boolean variables. Next we see the assignment operators. So the operator is plus equal. So this means if you use x plus equal to y, this is same as x is equal to x plus y. So you are doing the sum of x plus y and storing the result back in the x. If you do minus equal, this is equivalent to x minus y. If you do multiply equal, so this is equivalent to x multiplied by y. If you do this slash equal, so this is equivalent to x divided by y. And if you do this percent sign equal, so this is equivalent to x percent y. So let's see one example. So here include IU stream and using namespace std int main. Here we are defining two integer, x is equal to 200, y is equal to 100. So if you do 200 plus equal to 100, and this is same, so the if you do x plus equal to y, so this is same as x is equal to x plus y. So what is should be the result? So x now should become 300. So the result should come 300. So, and if you do 300 minus equal to 100 means x minus equal y. So x is equal to now become x minus y. So now x will become 300. So 300 and y will 100. So the result will come 200. And if you do now x multiply equal to y, so x is now 200, and you are doing multiplied by 100. So now x will become 20,000. And if you do 20,000 divided 20,000 percent equal to 100, so we divide 20,000 by 100, then what is the remainder? Remainder of this thing is 0. So this is equal to 0. So these, so in this way you can use this assignment operators. So you can see this also here. So we are doing 200 plus equal 100, so it will become 300. Then we are doing 300 minus equal to 100, so it will become 200. Then we are doing 200 multiply equal to 100, so it will become 20,000. And here we are doing 20,000 divided by 100. So what is the remainder of that? That is equal to 0. So in this way. So this is equal to same as x is equal to x plus y. So we have x is equal to 200 and y is equal to 100. So it will become like 300. This is same as x is equal to x minus y. So now x, after doing this operation, x will become 300. So 300 minus 100 output is 200. And this operation x multiply equal to y. So this is same as 200 multiplied by 100. So after doing this operation, x will again become 200 and y is 100. So output is 20,000. And if you do this operation, then the output will 0. So in this way, you can use these assignment operators. Now let's see the comparison operators. So the comparison operators are as follows. So this is equal to greater than, this is less than, this is greater than or equal. This symbol is for less than or equal, and this operator for double 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 equals is for equal, and then this exclamation mark equal is for not equal. So these are different types of comparison operator you can use. So, so the result of logical operation in C++ is 1 represent here true and 0 represent false. The result comparison operator will be true or false. So, after doing logical operation, the result will be true or false, and true is represented by 1 and false is represented by 0. So let's see one example, like include IO stream using namespace std. This is int main. Then we are defining two integer x and y. So we are defining one result one, like bool data type we are using, and result one is a variable of bool data type. So because the after doing logical operation, result will come in the form of true or false, or 1 or 0. So x is x. So here we are doing x greater than y. So 200 is greater than 100. So this is true. Here we are doing x less than equal to y. So this is false. So here the result will come should be 1. Here the result should be 0. And here x not equal to y. So this is also true because 200 is not equal to 100. So this is the right thing. So here it will also come 1. So let's see. So the our result is 101. So our results are correct. So the result of logical operation in C++ are 1 represent true and 0 represent false. So x greater than y here we are checking 200 greater than 100, so it will return true. This is true. Here if we use this, then 200 less than equal to 100, so this is false, we know. And here 200 is not equal to 100, so this is also true, we know. So in this way you can use logical operators. So in this video we talked about different operators like arithmetic operators, then logical operator, assignment operator. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video.